Hey guys, today we are going to do a review on the Cabela's brand Carnivore grinder. This is the 3/4 horse and it's a pretty good grinder, but we're going to go ahead and do a review on it, so stay tuned. Alright, I've put the head in this cool tech that comes with it. It's pretty much an ice pack to help keep the meat cold. We're going to show you how simple this is to put together. That slides in right there. You got a set screw on the back. This goes right there, followed by the blade. Followed by the plate. And this wheel locks it all in. So on top, you put your cool tech, little ice pack right around it like that to help keep the head cold. Alright, this grinder also comes with a deal to help feed the meat down, several different stuffing tubes. We'll be using this bigger one as we're going to make most of this into hamburger. Other than that, it pretty much comes with everything you need to do. So there it is. We're going to show you how easy this grinds meat up. Now this is a deer, so it goes right through it. And we are back. Alright guys, these are pretty good chunks of meat. I got most of the gristle and fat cleaned off, but I didn't get too crazy with it, just to show you what this grinder can do. It is $400 at Cabela's, and if you grind your deer up or doing your own processing, is well worth the money. So I got this hooked up to the foot pedal, and well, here goes nothing. Good size of meat here. I can get her in the hole. So as you guys can see, it grinds it up about as fast as you can feed it. And I'm going to give you all the bad and good reviews. I don't want people to spend their hard-earned money on junk, but this is definitely not junk. So we'll finish grinding this deer up, and I'll show you how we baggy it up. And stay tuned, I'm also going to do a review on the Cabela's jerky slicer. Not sponsored by Cabela's in any way. I just want to get the good reviews out there, or bad. But if they do want to sponsor me, I'd gladly do some more processing stuff for them. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now we're going to show you how we stuff them into the 1 pound baggies. I think one of the best ways to store it, so we'll show you how simple that is too. It comes with these attachments, this little auger. We'll pop this off. Alright, we're going to pop this out. bit of gristle and fat stuck in there. Alright, so we got the blade and the plate out. Stick the auger back in. Followed by this auger. Followed by that hole there. Alright, now we're set up to go into these 1 pound baggies. So get all this set up and I'll show you what else we do. Alright guys, here's how we stuff them into the 1 pound baggies. I have the foot control, which makes it a lot easier. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I'm gonna put my baggie over that. Stuff the feet down. Twist her up, and I'll also have another video on the LEM taper. So we're going to go ahead and get all these bagged up, and then we'll come through and tape them back up.